Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Evolved Mindset, a space where we explore what it means to grow, lead, and live a life on your own terms. I'm your host, Dhruti, and in this very first episode, we are starting with something very powerful: how to design a life you actually love, not the one that society expects, but the one that feels deeply aligned with you. Because success without alignment isn't really success. Let me take you a few years back. I, as a working professional, work very hard, like from 6 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. in the night, or sometimes even later. And I was chasing success. I was always drowned in work, but always felt something was misaligned. I was getting success, but somehow missing joy. I was achieving what looked like success on paper: global projects, leadership roles, but something was missing. It took some serious reflection and intentional changes to start building a life that energizes me every single day. So, what does designing a life you love really mean? It's not about perfection, it's about alignment. It's about asking yourself that question: what is it that brings me meaning, joy, and energy? Three key questions to start with are: number one, what is it that I want more of? Is it time? Is it creativity? Is it growth? Is it love? Is it spending time with family? What is it that I crave more and more of? So take a notepad and write down those things that you feel are the most important thing that you want more and more of. The second question to ask is, what is it that I want less of? Stress, comparison with others, chaos, all that mental clutter. Think about it. Write down those things which you feel are unnecessarily draining you and you want less and less of this. And the third question to ask is, what am I tolerating that I no longer want? Being mocked, being underestimated, being taken advantage of, or being domestically or professionally abused? What is it that you're tolerating and you want to stop doing that? Think about this. I want you to think along these lines because this will give you more and more understanding of what is it exactly that you're going through and what are the necessary changes that you want to make in order to live the life of your choice. Now, if you've written the answers to these questions, let's move on to the life design mini framework. This involves three things. Number one, clarity. Number two, choice. And number three, consistency. So, clarity means, what does a life you love look like for you? What do you see yourself doing when you see yourself very happy? Do you see yourself doing the things you love to do more often? Do you see yourself spending more time with your family? Do you see yourself doing the business that you love to do? Or you are doing workout regularly? What is it that you see yourself doing when you say that this is life you want? So go ahead and note down these things that signify a life that you love. Now let's look at choice. Choice signifies those small shifts that you need to make in your life starting today in order to start living the life that you want. What are those simple tweaks that you're going to make in your daily schedule in order to make space for the things that you love to do and so that you can live the life that you want to live? Let's say you make changes in your morning routine, or you start setting boundaries, learn to say no to certain things that are stretching your limits. There could be so many things that you can do in order to make space for the new things and the things that you love to do. And finally, consistency means, how do you build new habits in order to support these shifts that you're going to make in your daily routine or in your lifestyle in order to live the life that you love. It means you will adhere to these changes and follow the design, say no when necessary to ensure that you can live the life of your choice. Here's a simple challenge for you all. This week, just carve out 10 minutes of time to reflect on one question: is the life and the day I'm living today aligned with the life that I say I want? Here are some suggestions. Do journaling. Write down your thoughts, your affirmations, your aspirations in a journal. Even better, create a vision board. You don't have to be artistic for that. Just pick images from here and there. You can even use AI to create the images and put it in one place, and that will give you a one point of view of what exactly your ideal life looks like. So, friends, designing a life you love is not a one time thing, it's a practice, and every small intentional choice brings you closer. If this episode resonated with you, please do hit the like button and subscribe and share it with someone who you think might need this message today. I will see you again in the next episode where we'll be talking about three leadership habits that can build trust instantly. So stay tuned.